I think it's important because we have been able to gather lots of data. What we have seen from the beginning and from vaccines being available is that we've seen this go through adults and we've seen it go through each age group, and we've been able to track and monitor that data and review that, and we have found that the vaccine is safe and that it is effective. And we're continuing to see that and continuing to gain that information. We're seeing very minimal side effects from the vaccine. So I think it's important that we are seeing this. I think just recently we've heard the importance of pregnant women getting vaccinated and how important it is for them to prevent severe illness and death in them. And so as the time goes on and we continue to see what's happening and continue to collect this, what we call real world data, real world evidence. We're seeing the importance of vaccine and how it is actually preventing these more severe outcomes in both in pregnant women and children.
Yeah, and that's absolutely true. And as an obstetrician gynecologist myself, I just want to echo what you just said, which is the importance of vaccination in all of our populations. And we know from the studies that have been done, this is the most well-studied vaccine that we've ever had. And that includes for pregnant women as well. And we now know that it is very safe for pregnant women to get vaccinated in any trimester of pregnancy. And the overall question that this person was asking is, that kind of just, an assumption that children and pregnant women are not included in studies. And that's actually not true. And it's very important that we continue to include different populations who are, different in age, different in reproductive status, different in regard to, underlying medical conditions, so that we can test the safety of certain drugs and vaccines, et cetera, in those populations. So this is actually a vaccine that is being very well studied and has been very well studied to date in many different populations. And now we have more data on children. And the important thing as well is that we know that these trials are ongoing, right? There's not a stop point. We're continuing to look, and our researchers are continuing to evaluate the data.